我们是大地的孩子，生息延绵，格力让天空更蓝，大地更绿。格力掌握核心科技。
Gree Electric Appliances Incorporation of Zhuhai was founded in 1991. Through 20 years development, Gree is the world's largest air conditioner enterprise, which has integrated R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and service. Today, Gree has 8 production bases with 80,000 staffs, 5 bases in China, Zhuhai base in southern China, Chongqing base in western China, Hefei base in eastern China, Zhengzhou base in northern China, and Wuhan base in central China, as well as another 3 bases located in Brazil, Pakistan, and Vietnam. Nowadays, Gree's annual production capacity of residential air conditioner and commercial air conditioner has reached 50 million sets and 5.5 million sets respectively. From 2005, Gree has topped the #1 market share in global air conditioner market. 1 in 3 air conditioners sold worldwide is made by Gree. In 2010, Gree's annual sales amount has reached $10 billion, which has strengthened the leading position in global HVAC industry.
没有科技创新的企业，就等于没有脊梁的企业。一个人没有脊梁，你没法站得起来。只有领先、超越，那你的产品才有生命力。
Innovation is Gree's endless pursuit. Gree keeps the leading position in air conditioner technology, enjoying a sound reputation for its quality products and outstanding performance. Gree has more than 5,000 engineers and 300 laboratories to test and secure products' quality. Gree's residential air conditioner products are classified into 20 categories, with 400 series and over 7,000 models. Gree's commercial air conditioner products are classified into 10 series and 1,000 models, including GMV, centrifugal chiller, ATW, and package air conditioner, etc.
走向国际化，就是说，希望在每一个国家的老百姓都喜欢这个商标，这就是我们追求的目标。
In China, Gree has maintained a #1 market share since 1995 through our strong sales network with regional sales companies nationwide. Gree has more than 10,000 dealers and showrooms, and it's the first brand awareness for air conditioner in China, which equals to superior quality. Now Gree brand has represented in more than 100 countries and regions, except setting up production bases in Brazil, Pakistan, and Vietnam. Gree also has branch offices in USA, UAE, Spain, and Indonesia, etc., which enable products and services closer to markets and consumers. From made in China to created in China, Green, a leading brand for air conditioner.
掌握核心科技，格力超薄空调，创造超薄新纪元。好空调，格力造，格力 U 系列隆重上市。掌握核心科技，才能不断超越。格力 I 系列变频柜机，首创太空舱机身。 国际领先超低频技术，大全景扫风，格力 I 系列变频柜机，中国创造，国际领先，格力掌握核心科技。中国人走向世界，不能靠花拳绣腿，只有掌握核心，才能出手制胜。
格力掌握核心科技，打造完美变频，完美变频就是格力。好空调，格力造。
45瓦能做什么？格力1赫兹变频空调，国际领先，最低功率只需45瓦，让节能舒适一路领先。格力掌握核心科技。
好的卧室环境需要23分贝超低静音。好的卧室温度需要人性化智能温控。 好的卧室空气需要新鲜换气技术，让13亿中国人睡得好，精神好。卧室空调，格力睡梦宝。
坚持就是格力，坚持国家2级节能标准。 坚持7次精美印花工艺，坚持10万次以上滑门升降测试，坚持1米以上钢化玻璃抗摔测试。世界名牌，格力王者之尊。
这么大规模的影城，一定要用好的中央空调，
要用中国世界名牌。
I think we need the best in the world。噪音有低，
要稳定可靠，
要环保舒适，还要。
关键是我要省电30%。
格力，
格力高效离心机拥有国际领先的核心技术，比普通离心机省电30%，
就用格力。
格力掌握核心科技，
突破传统。格力空气能热水器，传承空调核心科技。 高效节能，水电分离，水温恒定。格力空气能，非一般的热水器。格力掌握核心科技。
妈，找时间咱们全家去旅游泡温泉怎么样？
哎，不要。 花钱呐，要花得聪明。你不是买了台格力空调节能热水器吗？放一大缸水呀，都不用1度电，每天8毛钱，天天都能在家泡温泉了，又舒服又方便。
耶，我们家有私家温泉啦！格力空调节能热水器，幸福只需要1度电。
I wish our home had blue skies. White clouds, green trees, and pure nature.
Green Series air conditioners bring you to nature. Gree, making better air conditioners.